Yo, what's up guys? In this tutorial, I will quickly show you how to make this really cool looking text reveal animation in After Effects. And yeah, it's simple. We don't need any plugins, and yeah, let's just start. So let's make a new composition and just, first of all, let's add a background real quick. Range, I'll just make a gray dark solid. And yeah, let's add a text first of all, of course. So I'll just type in easy again and just press S on the keyboard to scale this up, just like this. And let's go to the align tab on the right and center it. So let's center it horizontally and vertically. And if you can't see this align tab, make sure to go to window and see if the align thing is checked. But yeah, with this we can just right click on our text and go to create and press create shapes from text. And if we do this, as you can see, we get a shape layer with the text. And yeah, let's select this and also go to the selection tool again. So we can see these settings here and press on fill and just change it to none. So the most left setting, just like this. So we basically don't have any fill, but the stroke, which is 0.5 in this case. And yeah, so let's animate this. To do this, we can just open this up and go to add and add the trim paths effect. And now we can open this up as well and just animate the start. So let's go to the beginning of our animation and bring the start to 100 and press OK. And then just go forward to like 3 seconds and bring it down to 0. So now we can see we already have this really cool looking reveal animation. But yeah, let's make it a bit more spicy. So let's duplicate this thing by selecting it and pressing Ctrl D. And yeah, also make sure the selection tool is selected and increase the stroke to 1.5 from 0.5. So this one will be a bit thicker. And let's also make sure this is on the upper side and it's on the top. And just displace it on the timeline a bit. So bring this a bit forward. So it will start after the thin line. And yeah, I also like to select the thin line and give it a fill effect to just easily change the color. And I'll just give it a light blue, just like this. And yeah, now we can see we first have this small line and then the thicker line following. And yeah, I think this looks really cool and we're already done. So yeah, thanks for watching.